Hello South Africa, today is Friday, September 15th. Here are the top 5 stories that have made the headlines. Brace yourselves. Stage 8 load shedding is a possibility. Consider yourselves warned, Eskom is still battling to keep the lights on and the situation could get worse. The clearly struggling power utility is now warning South Africans it could be forced to ramp up the power outages even beyond stage 6. South Africans have had to put up with considerably higher stages of load shedding in recent days, particularly due to breakdowns at some of Eskom power stations. Ramaphosa TO deliver eulogy at Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezis's funeral. President CyrilRamaphosa will deliver the eulogy at the special official funeral of Inkatha Freedom Party (IFP) founding President Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi. Buthelezi passed away on Saturday, September 9th, and his funeral will be held at the Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Stadium in Ulandi, KwaZulu-Natal on Saturday, September 16th. Julius Malema lashes out at a forever late magistrate. Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, leader Julius Malema on Wednesday lashed out at Magistrate Toinette Olivier for forever being late in the East London Magistrates Court. Malema is in court for the alleged firearm discharge trial, which is in its 4th day. Wednesday was the 3rd day of the trial. These South African cities, among deadliest in the world. 4 popular South African cities have been named as among the 40 most deadliest cities, 3 of which are in the top 20. The list compiled by Mexican advocacy group, the Citizen Council for Public Security and Criminal Justice, CCPSCJ, and has based their findings on murders per 100,000 people. Senzo Mayiwa murder trial postponed to October. The trial of the 5 men accused of killing former Bafana captain Senzo Mayiwa has been postponed to October 2, 2023. The trial, which has been marred by delays and postponements, was scheduled to sit until Friday, September 15 under the new presiding judge Rathamok Gatteling. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.